Alright, let's dive into something that's both fascinating and surprisingly practical. Judi Dench's go-to mascara. Yes, you heard that right. Dame Judi Dench, the iconic actress, has a favorite mascara, and it's not just any mascara. It's one specifically designed for sensitive, irritation-prone eyes. Now, why does this matter? Because if you've ever dealt with sensitive eyes, you know finding the right makeup can feel like a never-ending quest. Personally, I think this is one of those under-the-radar beauty secrets that deserves way more attention. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling comfortable, especially when you're dealing with something as delicate as your eyes. Here's the thing. Judi Dench's makeup artist, Val Garland, spilled the beans during a British Vogue cover shoot. Apparently, Judi is allergic to most eye formulas, which is a huge bummer for someone who loves mascara. What makes this really interesting is that Garland didn't just pick any hypoallergenic option. She chose La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Mascara. Now, La Roche-Posay is a brand I've always associated with skincare, not makeup. But this mascara is specifically formulated for sensitive eyes, and it's got some impressive features. For instance, it includes a Lash-Revitalizing Serum and Extend-Lash technology, which not only volumizes, but also strengthens the lashes. From my perspective, this is a game changer for anyone who's had to compromise between looking good and avoiding irritation. One thing that immediately stands out is how this product addresses a niche, but significant problem. Sensitive eyes are no joke. They can water, itch, and even swell with the wrong product. What many people don't realize is that hypoallergenic makeup isn't just about avoiding allergens. It's about creating a formula that's gentle enough for the most delicate skin. La Roche-Posay's approach here is thoughtful, and it's no wonder Judi Dench swears by it. If you take a step back and think about it, this isn't just a celebrity endorsement, it's a testament to how well the product works for a very specific need. Now, let's talk about why this mascara is worth the hype. First, it's waterproof, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive eyes because it reduces the risk of smudging and irritation. Second, the brush is designed to be high tolerance, meaning it's kinder to your lashes and the surrounding skin. Personally, I think this attention to detail is what sets it apart from other mascaras on the market. It's not just about volume or length. It's about doing so without causing discomfort. What this really suggests is that beauty brands are finally starting to prioritize functionality alongside aesthetics, and that's a trend I'm here for. But here's a deeper question. Why isn't this product more widely known? I mean, it's Judi Dench approved, and it solves a problem millions of people face. In my opinion, it's because the beauty industry often prioritizes flashy marketing over practical solutions. This mascara isn't about glitz or glamour, it's about solving a real problem. And that's what makes it so compelling. A detail I find fascinating is how Garland applied it, using a small fan brush to get right to the roots of the lashes. It's a simple technique, but it shows how much thought goes into making this product work for sensitive eyes. So, what's the takeaway here? For me, it's this. Beauty isn't one size fits all. Whether you're dealing with sensitive eyes, dry skin, or any other issue, there's probably a product out there designed just for you. Judi Dench's mascara is a perfect example of how niche products can make a huge difference. It's not just about following trends, it's about finding what works for you. And if you're someone with sensitive eyes, this might just be the mascara you've been searching for. What do you think? Have you tried it, or do you have your own go-to for sensitive eyes? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.